Welcome to Leather Honey. This is how to properly use our Flairosol 5.4 ounce leather conditioner. First, remove the safety tab underneath the spray trigger and test the spray pattern and range of the continuous ultrafine mist. Before use, we always suggest spot testing to prevent unexpected results. To use, hold the bottle 10 to 12 inches away and spray onto a lint-free cloth until moistened. Then, gently rub the conditioner into the leather in a thin, even coat. Leather Honey leather conditioner is safe on all colors and will not darken your leather once fully dry. Perfect for genuine leather, faux leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. Leather Honey shields your leather from the inevitable buildup of daily wear and tear. Using Leather Honey can help prevent creasing, cracking, fading, dryness, scuffs, and more. It's non-toxic and pH balanced, so you never have to worry about harsh chemicals. Simply apply, wait for 24 hours, and then wipe off any remaining excess. Our conditioner dries matte for a quick and easy job. Leather Honey since 1968.